Hey, it's Joe from Wayaway Adventures, and today I wanted to share with you guys. I've just sorted out how I'm going to carry all my camera gear, either in the 4Runner or when I'm on my motorcycle. So I picked up this Nelson Riggs tail bag. Everything that I'm talking about today, I'll go through and I'll put a link in the description of the video, just because there's a lot of stuff that I'm going to cover right now. So this Nelson Riggs tail bag has a molly loop top, so I can add more bags if I need to. It's expandable. It raises up about another 4 inches above the standard size here. And inside, I have added this newer NEEWER camera insert. With that, I'll be able to hold all of my camera gear. This insert is designed to go into a backpack. It doesn't fit perfectly. You can see that on the sides, it's just a touch wrinkled, but really everything is in there. It's super well padded, and I'm able to carry just everything that I need, that I've been using, for a long time now, plus the addition of my video gear. So the GoPro fits in here, all the GoPro accessories. Inside this case, I've got a backpack strap. I've got a clamp for bars, so I can run on my motorcycle handlebars, some little bit of cables, and I've got the extra batteries for my my old SLR inside here too, which is important because if you, like me, like vintage film cameras, this is a Canon A1. They predominantly made these in the 70s. If you ever leave them turned on, it eats the battery, and so you could have additional one of those. So I've got my Canon A1. I've also got a newer Canon DSLR, pretty basic one, nothing special. It's just a Rebel T5 that I use. That's kind of a fun camera. I've got an extra pair of reading glasses. Without these, I'm useless. Container for extra memory cards. They say this is waterproof. If it is, it is. If it isn't, it isn't. It's protected. But this is the cards for the GoPro and for the DSLR. This is kind of a neat little thing that I saw on As the Magpie Flies. It's a little GoPro battery charger and case, and it's waterproof. And you can charge up 3 batteries in there. Here's something else I saw on the Magpie Flies. It's this little dealio that you twist it and you can get a 1-hour sweep. It ticks like a little clock. So the audio is not usable, but the video is really cool. I tried it out the last time I was out, and they fit in there nicely. This container stores film for a film camera. I've got 2 rolls in here, but it stores 4. That pops in nicely. Batteries for the DSLR, and it also fits the this small tripod that I carry with me that I can use either on my phone or for the GoPro. And then in the top, I've got all my cables, a couple of pens, charger, a USB thumb drive, and that's about it up there. But there's plenty more room. And then between these is where I put all of the little mic that I use, and the little tripod for the GoPro, which I can show you right here. And then in the GoPro video, you can see how I have my cell phone set up, because I do most of my selfie stuff with just my Samsung S9. But there you go. I'm looking forward to getting way out there and testing this stuff out, hopefully soon, either in the 4Runner, but preferably on the motorcycle. Thanks.